I think I'm gonna do, so I'm picking the ones, I'm picking off the ground what I didn't.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one.
They check it the temp out of hoes. Calling. Alright, cool.
Why does he cough like that?
Yeah, I be what the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy.
Today I will be showing you this Ice Queen look. Yes, I went to AC Moore this morning and bought a lot of gems and diamonds, and just, I'm so excited. So if you would, I can't talk. So if you would like to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So my face is all put on. My eyebrows are on, and I prepped my eyelids. Swear to God that bag was moving, but it's not. Okay, anyways. Yeah, for this Ice Queen type of look, I'm going to be using 4 palettes. 4. So stick with me, everyone. Yeah. To start this look off, I'm using Pebbles by the Matte Eye Too Faced palette. It's this lighter blue shade right here. And this is just going to be my transition color. This is my second Halloween tutorial. I'm super excited. I wanted to do something less gory the second time around. And then my third look will be a little gory. Because, yeah. Because I want it to be. I mean, because Halloween you can really switch it up. You can do anything you want. But I don't want to do like, I don't know. I want to switch it up for you guys. Keep it interesting. Okay. Next, I'm going to go into Fenty Beauty. And shades on the back. So I'm gonna be using Space Out, this really pretty royal deep blue shade. And I'm also gonna pop that. I'm gonna pop that on my outer corner. Kind of swipe that in, just to add some more blue. Just like a deeper royal blue. This fell off, so sometimes you have to work with what you have. It's really irritating me. God. I'm using this then. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, I got this Anastasia brush. Why am I out of breath? From the Soft Glam that I just bought. Like very dramatic, so I'm gonna bring it a little higher in my crease. Something that I've never done on camera before. I'm gonna cut my crease. Well, half my crease. Let's not get too wild now. Yeah, so I'm gonna take Maybelline's Fit Me concealer and damn, okay. Didn't know I could do that. I'm gonna go over that with a cream shade just to set it, pack that baby down. So she stays till Halloween. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna do like 3 different glitters. I have to go all out for this look. I just have to, y'all. First I'm gonna use this paint. What is this? Oh my god, I forget. Pigment. This loose pigment by MAC. It's called Kishmiss. Kishmiss. It is a violet, very sparkly, light purple color. Gorgeous. First I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, a little goes a long way with this. I'm gonna pack that on. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I might just have to use this, actually. It's pretty enough. Oh my god. I forgot how pretty it was. You might have to keep spraying your brush. Shit dries quick. I want to deepen this up a little more. I think I'm going to do like a deep purple color. I'm using the Vice palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to go in with Beat Down. This really deep, it's kind of like an indigo color. And these shades are very pigmented as well, so perfect for this look. Okay, and I'm going to do my wing liner with my Sephora liquid liner. Per usual. Love this stuff. I will never ever use anything different. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these lashes! I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Royal Blue color just to like smooth it out a little. Bring the blue down a bit. Little black here and there. This pigment, I think I'm just gonna like throw this on everywhere. I'm gonna take a nice like fluffy brush, something I can use this loose pigment with. I'm gonna spray the heck out of that. Dab it. I'm making a mess, but who cares? I'm just gonna like I'm gonna make it like into a highlight color. I have some beads I just want to place honestly everywhere. Wow. Please stay. Thank you. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. You know I gotta do this side too. Like, bitch. I'm getting the hang of it, y'all. Soft Matte NYX Lip Cream. It's not very pigmented, so I'm gonna have to go over this quite a bit. It smells really good. It smells like cupcakes, so I suggest getting it. I'm using all of them. Well, it feels like I'm using all of them. No, I definitely am using all of them. Oh my god. I wish I got more of these. They're so pretty. Should I? Let me know in the comments if I should do more ice. Because I think I should, personally. And I think one just fell off. Did it? I think I'm gonna do, so I'm picking the ones, I'm picking off the ground what I didn't. My plate just fell over, look. It literally fell on my window. Okay, okay. Back to the eyebrows. Or, I just need one more. So I cannot drop anymore. Let's see if I can do it. Because I only have 6 left. And that's how much I need for the top of my eyebrows. Okay, good, we got it. 2. Spray is my savior. I'm gonna use it, like, put it in the middle so you get that effect of ice. Get it? I don't think I can get any more icy. To make myself more iridescent, I'm gonna spray this all over my face. This is the final look. Let me know if I need any more ice. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Honestly, I think this was my favorite one yet that I've like ever done. I love glitz glam, like glitter. It's so bold and like perfect for Halloween. It's definitely girly, not gory. I don't know, I'm really digging it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.